Like, holy shit, dude. Look what I did to my hair. This looks so fucking awesome. Oh my god. I love it. I love it. Like, Love. Oh my god. It's so awesome. I love it. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm gonna go to school in like a couple of days, and this is gonna be so fucking awesome. No one's gonna recognize me, cause like I normally wear hoodies like right there, and my hair's gonna be like that, and they're gonna be like, who the fuck is the chick with the green hair? Oh my god, this is so fucking cool. Oh my god, I've always wanted to do this, and I did it myself. So it's not perfect, but like, oh my god, it's fucking green. It's green, and then I have blonde hair in the back. I didn't feel like doing that. I didn't really mean to go like that either. I meant for it to kind of just be right there, but it worked out. It looks so awesome. I love this color. Green's like one of my favorite colors, but I like black and white mostly. And oh my god. Stop!